If you've just been in a car accident, the next 72 hours could determine whether you recover fully or end up dealing with chronic pain for years. I'm Dr. Barry Marks, chiropractor and car accident injury specialist. I've treated thousands of car accident victims. The biggest mistake I see? People waiting too long to take action. By the time they come to my office, hidden injuries have already set in, and their insurance claim is already compromised. Today I'm giving you the exact checklist I wish every accident victim had in their glove compartment. Let's make sure you don't become another statistic. Here's what most people don't realize. The emergency room is designed to rule out life-threatening injuries, fractures, internal bleeding, things like that. But they're not looking for whiplash. They're not checking for concussion symptoms that show up days later. They're not documenting the stiffness in your neck that could turn into a chronic problem. Okay, you've just been hit, your heart's racing, maybe you're shaking. First things first. 1. Safety first. Turn on your hazard lights. If you can move your car safely out of traffic, do it. Check yourself, your passengers, anyone else involved. Are there injuries? 2. Call 911, even if you feel fine, even if the other driver is begging you not to. You need paramedics and police on scene. This creates an official record, and trust me, you'll need that later. 3. Stay put. Do not leave the scene until police arrive or you've exchanged information. Leaving early can hurt your claim, and in some states it's illegal. Now you might be thinking, but I feel fine. Do I really need all this? Yes, because here's what happens after an accident. Tissues are damaged. Severe injuries hurt right away because there's severe damage. But less severe injuries, the inflammation builds up over hours or days. The spasms set in gradually. By the time you feel it, the damage is already done. Here's what you must collect. While you're waiting for police, start gathering information. This is not the time to be polite and skip steps. You need from the other driver, full name and contact info, driver's license number, license plate number, vehicle make and model, insurance company, and policy number. Any witnesses? You need names and phone numbers of anyone who saw what happened. And here's something most people miss. Take photos, lots of them. Multiple angles of vehicle damage, the overall scene, license plates, road conditions, traffic signs, and any visible injuries. Your phone is your best evidence tool from the police. You need the officer's name and badge number, or they will give you a card that contains the information with a police report number and phone number to call. And here's the critical part most people get wrong. Do not call a lawyer yet. I know that sounds backwards, but hear me out. First, you need to see a car accident specialist doctor to know what your condition actually is. Then you can decide if you need legal help. Too many people rush to hire an attorney before they even know what they're dealing with. After leaving the accident scene, your 72-hour window starts. This is where most people mess up their recovery and their claim. Here's your priority list. Priority number 1, seek medical attention within 72 hours. Listen carefully. Insurance companies will discount your claim if you don't seek medical attention within 72 hours of the accident. 3 days. That's your window. Even if you feel fine right now, see a car accident specialist, not your family doctor, not an urgent care, a specialist who knows what to look for, because we're checking for hidden injuries, things the emergency room missed. What are we looking for? Numbness, tingling, headaches that come and go, dizziness, poor concentration, mood changes. These are signs of concussion that most people ignore. And here's a key indicator. Neck stiffness is actually a more accurate sign of injury than pain. If you're stiff right away, you've suffered a moderate injury or worse. That stiffness, it means your neck is trying to protect damaged tissues. Priority number 2, notify involved auto insurance companies. Call them as soon as possible to start your claim. But here's what you need to do first. 1, report accident details to your own auto insurance company. 2, confirm your policy details, specifically medical payments coverage and uninsured motorist coverage. 3, contact the other party's insurance company to confirm they have a valid policy and report the accident details. 4, document everything. Claim numbers, adjuster names, contact info. Keep it all in one folder. If your car is undrivable, contact a rental car agency and give them the claim number from the other party's insurance. Priority number 3, file your DMV report if required. In California and some other states, you must report accidents with over $1,000 in vehicle damage or any injury or death to the DMV. The form is called an SR1. Don't skip this. It's a legal requirement. You can find it online. Priority number 4, a warning. Be cautious with statements. Here's where people sabotage their own claims. Do not discuss fault with the other party. Do not give recorded statements to the other insurance company without understanding your policy and your rights first. Insurance adjusters are trained to minimize payouts. They're not your friend and will often try to trick you. Be polite. Provide only the facts, but don't speculate about what happened or how you feel. Tell the adjuster you plan on seeing a doctor. Under no circumstances should you agree to meet with the adjuster in person. Never. The adjuster will try to set up a meeting to offer you a small check up front and an agreement to pay a doctor. These will be low-ball offers worth much less than a typical claim is worth. Don't fall for this trick. Here is your at-home self-care protocol. While you're waiting for your specialist appointment, here's what you should do. For inflammation and pain in the first 2 days after the accident, apply ice for 10 to 12 minutes to any injured area. This stems inflammation. Remember to always place a paper towel between a gel ice pack and your skin to avoid freezer burns, and never fall asleep while using ice. Avoid strenuous activities. After 2 days, you can now take hot showers or use a heating pad for 10 to 15 minutes. Followed by gentle range of motion stretches, then apply ice for 10 to 12 minutes. For neck pain specifically, try lying face up with a tightly rolled towel under your neck for up to 15 minutes. This supports the natural curve. For low back pain, lie on your back with your legs supported by a sideways chair or sofa, your hips and knees bent at 90-degree angles. And here's something critical. Keep moving. Just light activity. But don't just sit or lie around. That actually makes most problems worse. Your body needs gentle movement to heal properly. Warning, red flags, when to go to the ER immediately. If you experience any of these, stop what you're doing and get to an emergency room. Direct head trauma with severe headache, dizziness, and vomiting. Loss of sensation in your saddle area or difficulty controlling bowel/bladder. Difficulty understanding speech or writing, or you're disoriented. Severe pain that can't tolerate even the lightest touch. These are signs of serious complications that need immediate attention. Okay, let's bring this home. If you take nothing else from this video, remember these 3 things. 1. The first 72 hours determine your recovery and your claim. Don't wait. Get evaluated by a car accident specialist within 3 days, even if you feel fine. 2. Document everything. Photos, contact info, police reports, insurance details. Your phone and a folder are your best tools. 3. Don't rush to hire a lawyer before you know what you're dealing with. See a specialist doctor first, understand your condition, then make informed decisions. Look, I've seen people who did everything right walk away from serious accidents and recover fully. And I've seen people ignore the warning signs and end up with chronic pain that could have been prevented. The difference? Taking action in that 72-hour window. If this was helpful and you want more specific guidance, I've put together a free downloadable checklist that covers everything we talked about today, plus a few extras I didn't have time to mention. You can grab that below. It's designed to keep on your phone or in your car so you have it if you ever need it. And if you're in Orange County and you've been in an accident, you can book a consultation at my office. We'll do a comprehensive evaluation and make sure nothing's been missed. You can get an evaluation at no upfront cost to you. Take care of yourself and your body will thank you.